Welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do addition and subtraction when you have a fraction and you're trying to add a whole number to it or a whole variable to it. Now in this case, for example 5, we've got r over 4 plus 1. So we're trying to figure out how we can add these two together. Now first problem is the second term isn't actually a fraction. But what we're going to do to deal with that is we're going to turn it into a fraction. And the way in which we do that is we get our pen, we draw a line like so, and then we put in a 1 underneath this line. Now we're dealing with two fractions. Now, we've got a choice. We can use this method here, or we can go for a shortcut. Since we've done the method on the left already a few times, I think we'll go for the shorter method. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write r over 4, then I'm going to write plus, and I'm going to write 1 over 1. And what I'm going to do with this 1 over 1 is I'm going to change its denominator to that of the first fraction, so to that of a 4. And the way I do that is I write times, and then I go 4 over 4. The reason I can do this is because 4 over 4 is equal to 1, and I'm not actually changing the value of the fraction. Rather, I'm simply changing the representation. Alright, now I'm going to go r over 4 plus 4 over 4, like so. And because they're a common denominator, I can put them both together. So a single denominator of 4, then I can go r plus 4. And we're done. That's as far as we need to go with simplifying this one. Okay, going down to example 6 here. We have x over 3 minus x. Once again, we're dealing with a problem where there's a fraction and we're trying to take a non-fraction from it. Now, to turn the second one into a fraction, what we do is we draw a line, then we put a 1. Okay, next problem. We want to get these into a common denominator. So I'm going to write x over 3 minus x over 1. And then I'm going to turn the second term into or such that it's got a denominator of 3. The way in which I do that is I go 3 over 3. Remember, I'm not actually changing the value of this second term. I'm simply changing its representation. Doing that, I get x over 3, and then I get 3x over 3. Now that I've got a common denominator, I write my 3 down like so, and then I write x take 3x. So x take 3x is going to be negative 2x, like so. And then, purely a cosmetic thing that I like to do is I like to bring the negative out front, and then I put the 2x there, and then the 3 there, just so there's no confusion about the negativity of this particular term. And that's as far as we're going to take it. So you can either leave it in this form here, or you can leave it in that form there, totally up to you. So this has been a video showing you two examples of how we can deal with fractional arithmetic where one of the terms is not actually a fraction.